Welcome back to my channel, Smoking and Grilling with me, AB. In today's video recipe, I'm getting ready to show you guys how we can turn just an ordinary side dish of just having corn. We getting ready to make it creamy. We finna add a whole lot of cheese. And did I mention that we gonna put bacon in there? Hey, you know what? Don't want to overtalk it. I'm just getting ready to show you something that you can put out. You put this out in your nice special dish. You put this on the table, you know what I mean? And then, you know, once you sprinkle that green onion over the top of that, you know, with that bacon on the top also, you know what? Everybody gonna be rushing to go ahead and put their spoon in there and get them several spoonfuls of this corn right here. So, with no further ado, let's get it in. Okay, look, for the ingredients, we're gonna use 5 whole kernel cans of sweet corn. Cheese. This is that thick cut bacon. We want to use 8 to 10. I'm going to use 10. The recipe calls for 8, but you know, you guys should know that I like you know, extra bacon. We got green onions, you know, we chop those up. That's going to be for garnish. Kosher salt, black pepper, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 cup of milk, Philadelphia cream cheese, and we're going to cut these into quarters, and a whole stick of butter, and then we're gonna cut those into tablespoons. I'll leave the full recipe with quantities down in the description box below. Okay, look, we're getting ready to start. Look, you want to put 5 cans of whole kernel sweet corn, and this right here, these are 15.25 ounces, you know, a piece. And then of course you got to drain them, as you can see. And then here we have sugar, salt, now we want to add bacon, you know, on the top. We're gonna come back with a little black pepper. Milk. Now you want to just go ahead and stir it up here. Now after you stir it up, then you want to go ahead and put your cream cheese in. You want to cut these into quarters. Then you want to add your whole stick of butter. And what I did was I cut these into tablespoons. And that's it. Then you go ahead and just put it on, you know, put your lid on. Once you put your lid on, you want to cook it on high for 2 hours. Here, just hit the power, high, and then we want to set it for 2 hours, start it, and that's it. Now, after just seeing how easy it was just to throw that together, and, you know, once we stir it all up with that cheese, you know, nice and hot, and it melts, you know, throughout, you know what I mean, sprinkled with that, you know, the rest of your bacon on the top of that, and then you hit it with a little bit of that green onion for garnish. What you think? Hey, better yet, once you make it, you ask the people that you serving, what do they think? Not really trying to pop my collar, but hey, this right here is the one. You know what? This is what it's about, turning the ordinary into something spectacular. So listen, if you're new to my channel, let me go ahead and just welcome you to my channel. Don't forget to hit the like button. Hey, subscribe. You know what? And then share the video with everybody. You know what I mean? Let everybody know that, listen, here on Smokin and Grilling with AB, and I know that name is different, you know what I mean? Because we're doing a lot of cooking. But listen, we're going to get into that season where we can start doing a whole lot of, you know, grilling and things of that nature. But right now, it's about turning these ordinary dishes into something spectacular. And that being said, you know, I just want to say, hey, thank you guys for watching. I'm out. Peace.